Hi class, I hope that your spring semester is off to a good start. The point of this video announcement is for me to go over a few points about the class. Some of you have had questions about the overall structure and flow, so I wanted to provide answers for that as well as other points of clarification. First, I want to direct our attention to the syllabus. By clicking on the syllabus and the course schedule hyperlinks, it'll take you to a Word document with full information about what to expect in this class, as well as our course schedule so you know when assignments are due. You can also see here I have some points that are in the syllabus laid out here. These are things that students might be a little more interested in and want to access more quickly. So I've provided these for you on this page. One note that I quickly want to make is that if you downloaded the syllabus page a few days ago, it is going to be different. I just uploaded a new one today because my office hours have changed. So I'm still meeting students from 12:30 to 1:30, Tuesdays and Thursdays, but I'm now meeting students in D329. So before on the syllabus it said D326. This is now changed to D329. I will not be holding office hours this week, but starting next Tuesday at 12:30, I will be having office hours. So feel free to drop by if you have any questions, if you need some clarification on class concepts, or if you just want to say hi, stop by and see me. All right, next we're going to go to our modules page. There's a few things that I wanted to point out here. First is the orientation module. I think a lot of you, it seems like, have already gone through this. About half the class has completed the orientation quiz. To those of you who have completed it, thank you. The orientation quiz is my way of taking attendance. In face-to-face classes, it's much easier to take attendance because you just call out people's names, and if they don't respond, then they're not there. It's a little harder in online classes to assess who is actually participating in the class and who's not. So this is my way of having students let me know that yes, they are committed to the class. So be sure to complete that. I'm going to be starting to send out reminders on Friday. So if you don't want me to constantly bombard you with emails and messages, then you should probably complete the orientation quiz sooner than later. Okay, finally, I did want to go over just other module points, and that being that I divide each chapter into weeks. So week 1 is actually this week. However, you'll see that the assessment, discussion, and quiz are due on February 10th. So both week 1 and you'll see here week 2, these are all due on February 10th. I do this because I want to allow students enough time to be able to obtain a copy of the textbook. So if you do have the textbook and you're able to, then feel free to start working on the assignments for this week. But if you don't have the textbook, don't worry about it. You have until February 10th to get it and to complete those assignments. I think that's all I have for you this week. Please let me know if you have any other questions and I will be happy to help you. Let's have a good class.